are we?
Hello, guys. It's
Where
me,
are
Flexing.
we?
We're playing. Shut up, puppet.
No, I don't think I'm.
This is a game called Dandy's World, and we are playing it because we've seen it's
It looks
popular.
fun.
Yeah, I've seen a bunch of YouTubers play this.
Yeah, like. Oh yeah.
I heard you have to get stuff in like ink, and then like you gotta run from like creepy versions of tunes.
I've seen Miss Rachel play this game.
I've played these games before. What does that mean?
Ah,
What's
look
that?
at this.
Oh, I got candy.
Yeah, a pot can.
A pot can.
Pot can right
Ooh, a tape.
there. Oh, you got a tape?
Yep. I got 8 tapes somehow. I think you gotta run away from things that look really creepy. Oh, another oil.
I think you're supposed to do this.
I wanna do it. Oh. I think you meant to like get it right, but oh,
Oh.
is there a monster coming?
Ooh, Foxy.
For a second I thought I saw one. Ooh, another oil can. And another tape.
Put it in the thingy.
Ooh, another oil can. Ah, what is that?
Is there a monster?
Monster scary!
You saw about that, what's that called?
I gotta hide, I gotta hide, I
The
gotta hide, I
thingy.
gotta hide.
That channel.
I'm hiding.
You used to watch this channel.
They won't find me now. I see it. Did it? Oh, I'm actually really good at this. What? No, I'm doing the one that you were trying to do. It's pretty easy. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma. Oh no, oh no. Oh, I did it.
I found a monster.
Monster, scary. Run,
Flexi.
run, run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man.
I'm just gonna hide.
Are you not even helping me?
I am. I just found another thingy.
What's that? 50% fluffy hair. Sigma, Sigma boys, Sigma boys. Ooh. I found another one.
We'll hurry up because he's coming.
He's coming.
Yeah. I found you.
Ugh.
I found you.
He's inking. Stop being circus baby.
Flexi, if you can see, if you're near me, then you can. He's close to you.
Not close to me. But I'm such skibbity Sigma for you.
You nearly killed me on first try.
Ew, ew, ew,
Find him.
ew, 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 ew,
Find him.
ew, ew.
Flexi, did you find him?
Yeah, he tried to kill me.
Kill me too.
He tried to catch me.
Did he take some damage?
I hide behind here.
That's what I do. Hide.
Oh, I got a pop can. I forgot about that. Oh no! Scary! Scary! Swimpy boy got me! I hate Becky. Oh no! Oh no!
Flexi, shut the hell up!
No, I'm about to die. 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 I am about to die.
I'll distract him. Hey, monster!
I don't have any.
Monster!
Oh no! Oh, I just duped him. Get you, boy. Get you, boy. No!
Swag.
No! No! I'm running out. Stay Temmer. Oh no! I lost a heart. I cannot run.
You can't run.
No.
I'm running as fast
Du, 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 du. Yeah, I'm about to die.
Laura.
Oh, I got
I
away.
see you. I see you.
I am on
The
one.
monster's right there.
I am literally on 1 heart.
Careful, careful, careful. Wait, is that you?
What do you mean?
No, that's not you. That's not you. There's like a monster that looks like you.
Did you die?
Yeah.
Damn. But I found more people to. Shut up.
There.
Anyways, we got more people, just random people we found.
Yeah, it was a group and we came in first, didn't we, Foxy?
Yeah, and they just came in. Anyways, we at least we don't have to do anything now.
The reason we know is because,
I'm just gonna
like,
take random stuff.
The reason we know is because, like, yeah, like, why wouldn't we?
I'm just gonna take random stuff.
Because, yeah, like, they were running in like a group, weren't they?
Maybe because they were a group and they didn't see us here. Oh no, oh no, oh no. One saw me. One saw me.
Wait, are they coming? Oh no, oh no, 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 no.
No, no,
One's
no,
coming
no,
after me,
no, no,
one's
no, no,
coming
no.
after me,
Very bad. I'm gonna try to get another skin. Ooh, a bauble. Did you die? I'll win for you. Not going that way.
Oh, Foxy?
What?
Sorry for dying.
It's okay. It's not your fault.
Someone's at the door. Can I answer your door for you?
Sure.
I won't answer. I'm answering.
Oh. I need that.
Was that a package?
Wait, Puppet!
It was a package for you, for Freddy.
Puppet, spectate me.
Fine.
I'm hiding. Scary. Very scary.
Foxy, why does it smell like cats and dogs?
I don't know.
Wait, no. A tint of tequila? and ice? Foxy, have you been eating ice tequila again?
I got it.
Well, if you go in there, you're safe.
Yeah.
I never knew that.
But it's only when like when it's finished. What's this?
What do you mean when it's finished?
Like when all the machines completed, then it opens. I got 23 stuff. Damn. Ooh, a stopwatch. Chocolate and poor.
The chocolate.
I already bought a stopwatch. I guess I'm old now. I'm gonna have my last gumball. I wonder what the stopwatch does.
Freddy would like love you if you got that for him.
He doesn't like stopwatches. He thinks they're for old boomers.
Oh, yeah, Foxy, your dad.
He thinks they're for sinners.
Who the heck are sinners? Run! Is there someone stop? Is someone stop?
Yeah.
Please.
So guys, thank you so much. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you see you in the next one. Bubba's chasing me because I don't want him to be in this outro. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Goodbye.